Well, coming up after the break, Hassan Shah tells you what the viral videos of 2013 are.
And a few Met reporters head to the North Pole to meet Santa.
And we're finally unthawing from the deep freeze that we were in. Warmer temperatures are on the way. I'll tell you how warm we're going to get.
But first, Josh Cozart is here with our weather report. How's the weather, Josh?
Well, Karen, we have a cool start to our morning today. Our current temperature is 25 degrees, but we should see a high of 44 as we hit the noon hour. And then our temperatures will slowly start to drop off, so your drive home will be about in the mid-30s. So we're first going to take a look at our Saturday national map. For the west, we have a high pressure system right over Utah that's really going to start to bring Denver's temperatures up. And all along the west, we'll be seeing lots of sunshine and some warmer temperatures. Now to the east is where things are a little bit more interesting, as we have that Arctic cold front that moved through our areas now pushing off to the east. We're going to have some lake effect snow showers in the Midwest and the Northeast. Now we also have a warm front coming from Florida, giving us in the south a little bit of taste of some warmer weather that they got to experience while the rest of us were freezing. Now, we do have some rain showers as the Gulf of Mexico brings in a plume of moisture. Now, right along that warm front with Kentucky and Tennessee, we should be seeing some possible icy conditions. So if you're heading out that way for Christmas break, make sure that you check your travel plans. Now, moving on to our Sunday national map, that cold front finally pushes off, giving Florida now a taste of that colder temperatures, bringing a lot of rain up along the east coast as well. Again, we have the lake effect snow causing a few issues up in the northeast. And then for the west, we still have that high pressure system that's going to continue to be stubborn, sitting over Denver, giving us those even warmer temperatures than what we'll experience Saturday. And then we also have a high pressure system down here in the south, in Texas and on the Mexico border, giving everyone in the south nice sunny December weather. Now we're going to move on to our local forecast for Saturday. Denver is looking to be 42 degrees for your Saturday. DIA is just going to be a smidge cooler at 40 degrees, along with Boulder. Colorado Springs at 39 degrees. Now with the western slope, we have a high of 25 degrees, low of 19, and then all up and down the mountains, the valley areas are going to be a little bit cooler than the higher elevations because we have that cold air that's going to seep down into those valleys, and we just haven't had any wind events to bring that cold air out of those valleys. So those temperatures will be a little bit cooler, with Gunnison at 23 and Durango at 30 degrees. Now for your Sunday local map. Denver, high of 55. That will be extremely nice to go out and enjoy. Colorado Springs will be at 50 degrees. Grand Junction at 27 degrees. And then out on the eastern plains, we will see Lamar at 55 degrees as well. Now for our 5-day forecast. Monday, we're going to top off at 60 degrees. It's going to be really nice. Tuesday, we're going to drop back just a little bit lower, but still sunshine with a high of 53. Wednesday and Thursday, we have a cold front approaching our area with a high of 52 and 51. And then Friday, I can't rule out a snow shower or two in the evening, as we have a high of 45 degrees. So Monday's looking to be our warmest day of the week. If you haven't done your Christmas shopping or haven't put up Christmas lights on the house yet, I suggest you do it Monday because it's going to be nice and warm. Now, the first day of winter is on December 21st, so make sure that you have your car prepared for those winter weather conditions, and I'll tell you how. Winter is quickly on its way, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do to prepare for the cold. We see it every year. It snows and snows and snows until the roads are packed with even more snow, and driving is nearly impossible. With these dangerous driving conditions, Metro students are especially prone to the hazards of winter driving. Everyone needs to have a car safety kit in case you and your car become stranded. Some of the essential items you will need are snowshoes and a snow shovel, so you can properly dig yourself out if you become trapped. If you are unsuccessful in escaping the snow's grip, you will need to make sure you have a cell phone charger, and lots of blankets. Space blankets and wool blankets are some of the warmest. A flashlight is a must-have if you become stranded and can't escape after it's dark. Gloves, stocking caps, and other winter apparel are always a good idea to have spares of. A first aid kit is also a must. Not only for the winter season though, but for every season. And before you leave your house, make sure you don't forget your ice scraper, because we all know how fast Colorado's weather can change. And if you do happen to find yourself buried in the snow, make sure you dig out enough room for your exhaust pipe so you and your car can breathe.
I'm Josh Cozart with the Met Report. Drive safe.